Guess where we are.
I think I want to get the Austin roll.
Tuna, salmon, whitefish, avocado, spicy mayo, masago. Oh, that's Marissa's favorite roll. She gets it every time.
So I think I want to get the Austin.
I just don't like it because the pieces are so big. Damn, wait.
Dude, it looks so good.
Well, there's that. Hunter, this has been twice that we come home and he's sitting here. He's just sitting here rubbing it in Cash's face that he's not in a cage and
Good
Cash
boy.
is.
Tricks to it. In calculus, I don't even bother with it because they're not that bad. You can just.
Hello. 4 days away. We are 4 days away from a full month of no social media. So I'm editing this vlog, and in this clip I say 4 more days until 1 month of no social media. Stop.
I'm trying to get it in the shot.
Oh, look here. Look, I'm gonna talk and just look at his face because he looks way better than me. So in the clip, I said 4 days until 1 month of no Instagram. But this clip I made that clip like a week ago. So I'm pretty sure I passed the 1 month mark.
Are you sure it was a week ago?
Yeah, it was about a week ago. Oh no, because I got these glasses. When did I get these glasses? Chloe was here.
Yeah, Chloe was here, so. That doesn't look good. That looks like 2 days ago that you're wearing that clothes.
I wear that shirt every day. I think either today's the full month or tomorrow. The point is that I'm so super present that I don't even know how long it's been without Instagram, period. Also, this is literally, I say this in like the past few videos, but all of these clips in this vlog are literally from like 2 weeks. Just random clips of randomness. So, here's that. At this point, I'm just thinking I might not even log back on. I don't know. I'm not willing to die on that hill, but I'm thinking about it. It has definitely given me a new perspective on my like low-key addiction of Instagram. I wouldn't say it's like a hardcore addiction. I'm not as bad as some people, but if I'm like gauging my behavior off of other people, it's a really shitty way to live. So if I'm only evaluating my behavior, I would say that I was low-key addicted to Instagram. So doing this has given me a new perspective of how like literally isn't shit. Like I could go about my day, live my life without it. The only thing I miss is just like that, I don't know, that fun aspect of posting my pictures. Like that's what I miss. I don't think this is safe.
What part?
What's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
Cleaning.
Nope. No! Who can resist? No! Oh, nothing. Just hanging out on the laptop. Rubbing my butt all over the Bible.
On the Bible?
You're gonna have to get up in a minute. He's straight up ignoring me. We woke up and rode our bikes. I'll probably put some clips right here.
Hell yeah.
Literally, what the frick? Okay, there we go. But now we're gonna, I'm not gonna do anything probably, but watch, but my husband's gonna change my oil in the Jeep. And then we're gonna put the vinyl on the hood. Sir?
I honestly was thinking that today, but since I've changed oils my entire life of changing oils, they've always said to put oil on the seal of the filter. I don't know why. They just said so.
Are they all yellow or just this one?
Yellow, white.
Where do we dispose of oil?
O'Reilly's.
We have to take it back?
Yeah.
So we cleaned the hood. Now we have to put the, we have to peel it off backwards. And then spray the sticky side with the application fluid. Literally never buy alphavinyls ever in your life. Don't waste your time or your money or your sanity. Because that shit is trash. I literally threw the vinyl in the trash.